Have you ever seen these satisfying anime ASMR cooking videos? You can build a content channel around this idea. You don't need any expensive software or any paid AI tools. It's completely free. These viral anime ASMR cooking videos are taking over social media right now, and you can make same videos in just 3 steps. In this video, I will show you complete process how you can create these videos with free AI tools. Step 1. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt and hit enter. Then GPT will ask us to choose a character. You can choose male, female, or upload your own character. For this tutorial, I am going with female. So I will type female in prompt box and hit send. Then GPT will give us 10 different food items to choose from. Step 2, pick whichever you like. For this example, I will pick spicy tonkatsu ramen, so I will simple type 1 and hit enter. Then GPT will generate a highly detailed video prompt for our video. From here, you copy the entire prompt. Step 3, generate video. Now head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Choose your aspect ratios 9:16 and select Omni Flash as your video model. Choose video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in prompt box and click generate. After waiting for a short while, your videos will be ready. Finally, download the clean video to your device, and that's it. Your video is now completely ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Calm, satisfying, and genuinely enjoyable. The anime characters, cooking animation, the atmosphere, everything comes together perfectly. If you want to discover more viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, then subscribe to my channel Hyman Hub and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.